Welcome to Technia TV. Hello, I am Dr. Sandeep Kumar, Faculty of Management. Today, I am delivering lecture on data processing. What is data processing? Data processing is the task of consolidation, editing and regrouping of data. The data after collection has to be processed and analyzed in accordance with the outline laid down at the time of developing the research plan. This is important for a scientific study and for ensuring that we have all relevant data for making contemplated comparisons and analysis. Technically speaking, processing implies editing, coding, classification and tabulation of collected data so that they are open to analysis. The term analysis denotes to the computation of certain measures along with searching for patterns of relationship that exist among data groups. Thus, in the process of analysis, relationships or differences supporting or conflicting with original or new hypotheses should be subjected to statistical tests of significance to establish with what validity data can be said to specify any conclusions. Data processing is done in three different stages. First one, editing, second one, coding, and the third one, tabulation. Editing denotes to checking of questionnaires and survey schedules for completeness and accuracy. Coding involves converting or transforming the ample data in the questionnaires into a numerical form. Tabulation refers to summarizing the data in a matrix form. Now I am explaining editing. Editing of data is a method of examining the collected raw data to detect errors and omissions and to correct these when possible. As a matter of fact, editing involves a careful examination of the contemplated questionnaires and or schedules. Editing is done to give surety that the data are accurate, consistent with other facts gathered, uniformly entered, as completed as possible and have been well arranged to facilitate coding and tabulation. The stages at which editing should be done are field editing and central editing. Field editing consists in the review of the reporting forms by the investigator for completing, that means translating or rewriting what the latter has written in abbreviated and or in eligible form at the time of recording the respondent responses. This type of editing is essential in view of the fact that individual writing styles often can be hard for others to decipher. Editing is the first step towards the converting the raw data into information. Editing is done with the purpose of achieving the following factors. First one, completeness. It ensures that there is no answer left unattempted. Researcher can also deduce response to the blank questions from other data of questionnaire. Second one, regularity. It refers to the uniformity in asking the questions and recording the answers. It ensures that there is no bias in the data collected. Third one is consistency. If the answers of the respondent show too many inconsistencies among themselves, then it is a cause of concern. A high level of inconsistencies indicates the carelessness in administration of instrument or ambiguity in the instrument. The fourth one is comprehensibility. If the answers given by the respondent are not specific, then researcher may get in touch with concerned field workers for clarifications. Editing is done in two stages. First one, field editing. It removes errors and omissions in the questionnaire form. It is done immediately after the administration of research instrument. Through field editing, objective of the editing, completeness, consistency, regularity and comprehensibility are established in the data. Second one, which is the central editing. It is more inclusive form of editing. It scrutinizes the field research instrument thoroughly. Central editing should take place when all forms or schedules have been accomplished and returned to the office. This is the end of my lecture on data processing. Hope you will find beneficial. For another lectures of research methodology or business research, watch Technia TV and also subscribe it. Thanks a lot.